Okay, there were some questions earlier, much earlier this morning on Johnson & Johnson. We've reviewed this for the last couple of days, okay? Johnson & Johnson did not trade. The iron condor signal that we had out there did not trade on Monday. Okay, it traded on paper, did not trade live. So if you have it on a paper fill, just exit out of it. Okay, that's all you have to do. Okay, any further questions on Johnson & Johnson? I wish we had gotten filled because the trade worked out just, spot on. But unfortunately, no fill at our price. Okay, any questions? Otherwise, I'm moving on from there. Let's take a look at Alley again and see if we want to revalidate this one more time. Okay, we've been kind of pouncing on this 34 strike calendar spread. I'll put it back out there again, guys. I don't think we're going to get it for 15 cents. I'm not raising it from there at all.